Located on the Customer Contracts homepage, the Fluid Contracts WorkCenter provides tools to update contract billing and revenue information across the organization. Let's see how you can use the WorkCenter to review and fix configuration issues and exceptions. The My Work section of the WorkCenter is separated into 3 areas: billing exceptions, revenue exceptions, and recurring tasks. The billing and revenue exceptions sections identify plans in pending status or on hold and past due billing and revenue events that should be processed. Recurring tasks allow you to activate contracts and generate awards en masse. Select the Plans on Hold exception to view bill plans that cannot be processed because they have been placed on hold. The business unit, contract, and contract name are displayed on all exceptions along with additional information relevant to the particular exception. Select the contract name or plan ID for additional information about the contract and the bill plan. Select the Actions icon to remove the hold, update the reason for the hold, or cancel the plan. You can also open the contract or the bill plan in another window. Select Remove Hold, then Yes to proceed. Use the Past Due Billing Events exception to process fixed amount billings that are past due. Event date and amount help the billing specialist prioritize the invoices to process first. These rows have an event status of pending and should first be set to Ready status. Select the Bulk Mode icon to update multiple billing events at once. Once a billing event status is ready, it can be processed using the Process Billing action. A message is displayed showing that the Contracts to Billing interface has been scheduled, and the status of the process can be monitored using the Process Monitor link. The Invalid Bill Plans exception identifies bill plans with an invalid billing specialist, billing authority, or customer contact. This information is required and, if invalid, will cause the Contracts to Billing process to fail. Use this exception to update the billing specialist across your billing plans in a single action. Organizations using the Grants application have 2 exceptions related to Letter of Credit document IDs. The LOC amount exception compares the authorized amount reported from the sponsor to the contract billing limit in PeopleSoft. Related actions allow you to modify the contract funding amount to match the sponsor report. Revenue exceptions function like billing exceptions, allowing you to update plan status from pending to ready, remove a hold status, and process past due revenue amounts. The Contracts for Activation exception displays contracts in pending status with the ability to activate multiple contracts in a single action. For Grants customers, the Awards to Generate task provides a list of proposals for action. Use this page to update proposal status, submit the proposal, generate a pre-award project, and generate the contract award. Select the View Generated Awards button to open the new contract award in another window. The Contracts WorkCenter provides your contract administrators and billing specialists a modern, fluid interface to address the most common issues impacting customer invoicing and revenue recognition. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.